to the technical trader at detectrader.com. It's Wednesday, May the 3rd, and these are the charts of the day. Well, it wasn't a good finish on Wall Street, but a lot of stocks we follow and are traded and are swinging, etc. One of those three are being highlighted today as we have a couple dozen stocks that look pretty good. You look at CCOI, after building a massive 1 year, year and a half base, it broke out of a triple top and through key resistance today, jumping from 69 to 75 and change, finishing 73 up to 487. Looks to me like it's going to extend to the high 80s, high 70s to low 80s, at least on this move. COCO has been in a really beautiful channel for 4, 5, 6 months now, and you can see today coming out of a consolidation period. It went from under 20 to 24.16, finished 23.99 up 360. It looks like it might extend. This is the highest level ever achieved since its IPO. I'm looking for mid-20s to high 20s right now. Eypt, after exploding in March, April, and then pulling back in a falling wedge, here it is. You'll see the pop and breakout after holding support today, jumping $1.38 at 21%. A retest of 10.70, may be warranted, followed by 13. Gnrc, this portable generator or generator company formed a big base pattern over the last 6 months, and you can see today's pop out through moving averages and trend lines, jumping up to from 99.90 to 121 and change, closing 114 up 11.21 or 10%. Looks to me like it could extend. Your next targets are 129.30 and 140. IMGN, the biggest player of the day today, went up 144% on a mere 106 million shares, jumping from 545 to 1331 before backing off to 1269, but a darn good close near the upper end of the range. I'm looking for momentum follow through to 15 and 18.5. Those are your next targets. INGR, also on a beautiful rising channel since October. This stock spiked out of a consolidation trading range over the last 2.5 weeks, and today popping from 106 to 112, finishing 109.95 up 427. Your target now top of the channel, and they're 117.18. LABU popped through key resistance today, and I'm thinking this is on its way much higher. We could see the stock at 7.5, 8 range, maybe even 9 on this next move. Lilly with an Alzheimer drug positive data report today, and the stock popped, reaching the top of what looks like a longer intermediate term channel. Actually went through it if you think about that. So now momentum tells me we could run into the 500 range at some point, but the near term target is 450, 60, and then 490 to 500. LTHM popped today as well, jumping $1.34, 6.4% on almost 10 million, the biggest volume we've seen on an up day in many, many months. Now, and a breakout across declining top line and moving averages have me thinking this is going higher. My targets are 27 and then eventually maybe low 30s. PACB popped 2 days ago, pulled back yesterday, today, a big engulfing reversal bar from a low of 1066 to 1270, finished 1185 up 55 cents and 5%. Significance, although, is that it's at or near key resistance. If today's high is taken out around 1270, we could see 15 and 17.5. TLX had a beautiful rising channel for 6 months now, had another explosive move today, 260 to 315, finished 303 up 39 cents, that's 15%. And volume was the biggest we've seen all year at 5.6 million. Next target, 3.5, 4, 4.5, etc. QTRX had a big day today, breaking out of a 7 or 8 month base, and you can see that pop took it from 12.25 to 17, finished 1673, a big day for it, up 446 to 36%. Now I'm looking for higher levels, perhaps a test of somewhere around 19.25 next. Oil's coming down, the SCO popped, so did the drip, but we're highlighting SCO today as it exploded from 27.50 to 33, finished 30.14 up 280 at 10%. Near resistance, it backed up, but your next target is 36. Looking at today at SMCI, what a great chart that's been for months now. Take a look at today's action as it gapped and ran. 113 and 136.64, finishing 133.49 up 29. That's 28%. Now looking for momentum to get it to 155. SNTG, big pop 2 days ago and big drop, but today what a comeback. From a low of 221 to 641, finishing back at 380 up 117. Not a great finish, but still an up day and a green bar. We shall see. Target 6 and 8. TGTX extending its moves of late. You can see another 326 or 10% today. Now looking for a run to about the 40-41 zone. Uber, really nice of late. You can see the spike that took place on this one last 4 days, gone vertical from 29 to 38, finishing 37.78, a nice gain of $1.26 or 3.5%. Your target is 40 and 44. UIS, low price puppy popped today. It popped big time. It went up about 25% in 1 day, and it's near resistance. We get through that 4.5 area. I'm looking for 5 and 6. And finally, XBI, the other ETF in the biotech sector, also broke out along with the LABU. And now we need the declining top line to be taken out, which I think it will. Your next key target is 90. And this is HP signing off, everybody. Have a great evening.